simple JSP program to connect the database. This is one simple JSP program to connect the database. Step 1, here if you observe, step 1, I included import statements. I included import statements, java.sql.driver manager, java.sql.connection object. After this is nothing but a text.html, nothing is there. After that, HTML head JSP page, try block, because every program, everyone, I mean, whenever we are using database connectivity programs, that may throw some exception because we are using this particular thing. Already I said class.forName. This is the step 1. Create the driver. This is the step 1. Create the driver. Class.forName. Class.forName within the brackets com.mysql.jdbc.driver manager. Step 2. Create the connection object. Create the connection object. Connection con is equals to driver manager dot get connection within the brackets. JDBC is the driver, MySQL is the database, and localhost is nothing but our particular host name and port number and database name. Root is the user ID and there is no password for the root. If the con is not null, again it goes to the and for example, if con not null, database is connected, otherwise exception, unable to connect the database. These things we need to know, and we'll go for the lab program. Next example, user validation. This is the some simple form. This is the some simple form action, user validation, form action, user validation. .jsp method is equals to post input type text, username and password. These are the two input fields, and when we are click on submit button, automatically it is redirected to user validate .jsp. Again, for example, I may give any database. Okay, now observe carefully. Now here I'm using result set is the one particular thing. Driver manager. I'm importing the statements. Observe carefully. This is the step 1. Import your required packages. Import your required packages. After importing required packages, create the connection driver. This is the second step. After creating the second step, create the driver. This is the third step according to our steps, if you observe the things. Then after this, next once again, here I taken username, request dot get parameter, username is equals to so and so username, request dot get parameter, username is equals to password, user password, because this username and this password are getting from earlier web page. See here, this username, user password, I need to retrieve in the next page. Username and user password, I need to retrieve in the next page. Out.println, just I want to print those values. Whether I am retrieving or not, I don't know. I need to know the things. After this, here if you observe, this is the third step or fourth step. See here, this is the step 1, this is the step 2, first import statements, this is the step 1, this is step 2, and after this, here this is step 4, prepared statement, PS is equals to con.prepared statement, select star from users where username is equals to question mark. Already I said, write the SQL query with question marks and password is equals to question marks. I need to fill with these question marks with respective values. Here PS dot set string, first question mark, that is nothing but this value. First question mark is nothing but this value, username is equals to uname, password is equals to password, result set is equals to ps dot execute query. If any data is there, authorized user, otherwise unauthorized user. And this is once again repeating. Step 1, import the required packages. Step 2, create the driver. Step 3, sorry, step 2, create the driver. Step 3, create the connection object. Step 4, prepared statement, create the prepared statement with SQL query. Step 5, fill the values in the SQL query. Step 6, you can execute by using execute query or execute statement. This is also one of the important lab program. End examination point of view, they may ask this particular question: user validation in JSP. User validation in JSP. Directly we have one particular previous question also, user validation using JSP. Now coming to the next program, next lab program, calculator with database. Calculator with database. That is nothing but already I am using certain database and certain values, and I need to store that particular values. I need to store that particular values in the database. I need to store that particular values in the database. Example, if you observe the screen, here I have certain HTML page. Within the HTML page, I have two different text fields, first number as well as second number, and I have four different options, plus, minus, addition, and so on. So that is one simple calculator. I need to take two numbers. I need to calculate according to the requirement. After calculating, we need to store the results in the database. That is a lab program as well as important program, right? Just for practice purpose. Okay, now if you observe the screen, here again, same, I'm repeating, import the required packages, get the values, request dot get parameter number 1, request dot get parameter number 2, so on. So after this, integer dot parse int number 1. That is nothing but whenever we are reading anything, it should be converted into string format. I mean, it should be in the string format. After that, we need to convert in the required data type. Now I am converting into integer. And that OPT is the option. Option is nothing but either plus or minus or multiplication. Depends upon the situation. We need to go for the things. And next one, we are calculating according to the case, plus, if plus is so and so, minus so and so, and depends upon the situation. If plus, addition, minus so and so ij values, based on that I am calculating. This is some simple switch case. Now after calculating, now I am going for the program. Again, class dot for name. Again, I need to create the same concepts, same repetition. I need to create the driver. Now I need to create the connection object. After creating the connection object, driver manager dot get connection. This is same. Now if you observe the screen, prepared statement ps is equals to con dot prepared statement insert into calculator. This is earlier we are created certain table. Number 1, number 2, OPT result, and values are question marks. Now the first question mark is I, that is nothing but number 1. Second question mark is J, that is nothing but number 2. Third question mark is OPT, that is number 3. Fourth question mark is result, which we are calculated. Boolean B is equals to PS dot execute. Already I said this. Execute command used for insert, delete, update. It returns the value. And execute query is used for select statement. And out.println data stored, if the boolean b double equals to b double equals to return value double equals to true, data stored, yes inserted, otherwise unable to insert. This is the lab program. Once again, observe the things. Once again, I'm repeating the concept. When you want to do the database programs, we need to download the MySQL connector. After that, create the project, include the MySQL connector into your project. After that, you need to change the source. Then open exam or start MySQL server at any time. You need to create the tables and database accordingly. That is the thing. And after creating the tables and database, steps to write the program, import the required packages, create the driver. After that, create the connection object. After that, next one, create the prepare statement object, fill the values with required data, and we execute the query. For executing, we have two options. One is execute, second one is execute query. Execute is used for insert, delete, update. Execute query is used for result set, select option. Execute query returns result set, that is nothing but collection of data. These two programs are important, and try to practice those programs as well as remaining things. Thank you. And this is the regarding database connectivity in JSP. Okay, fine. Thank you.